Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are here with me today because today we are going to be going over how to make 3D mock-ups for any business where you are trying to promote multiple maybe offers or collections of things. It could be for books or any other products that you sell that you would want to visually display for your audience so that they would be more primed to be purchasing on your website. So just to give you an example of what that looks like, this is an example of something that I created as a mock-up cover. So as I said before, this is not my only thing that I do. I also work as a health and lifestyle coach through the Integrative Nutritional Health School. And so for me, it's been a journey in learning how to find different marketing ideas and things like that in order to get people to want to work with me and really take my offers. So as you can see, this is just an example of an offer that I personally provide my clients when they work with me. And as you can see, this is pretty much what the 3D mock-up looks like. So it's basically pieces of offers that I put together, and I basically created e-covers for them and turned them into kind of like made them into little tablets and things like that on cell phone mock-ups so that it looks like they're getting this whole collection in a physical way. However, it's just more so a way to just show them that they're physically getting these products but through a digital component. So today, that is what I'm going to be teaching you today. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the previous 3D cover mockups you just seen, I actually am going to be doing a upgraded package for my program. And so I just wanted to show you guys how I did my mockups by doing my upgraded program offers as well. So for instance, one of the products that I'll be making for my clients will be a 7-day postpartum low intense workout plan that I will be making for them when they sign up to my premium package. So this is pretty much my cover here of my workout plan. And basically what I want to do is take this first page and make it into a mock-up. Now, you're going to need 2 websites to do this. The first website that you're going to be using will be the DIYBookcovers.com website. So basically, this is a free online book mockup maker that you can use. And what they do is they provide you different types of templates where you can put your e-covers on just to make those different graphics that you normally see on some people's websites when they are trying to display something that they are marketing. So these, as you can see, these are the single composite components that they have, and so you can have your image on like a Kindle, maybe like a iPad, on a cell phone. It can be kind of a slanted iPad or a book cover. I really like these because they're free, and I mean, you really don't have to do any type of Adobe Photoshop or anything like that, and it can still come out at a really good quality. And I'll be able to show you that just in a moment. But also, they also hold the composite bundles as well. So let's say, for instance, you are selling something and it's going to be on multiple devices. This could be another great visual that you can use. Now, because it's free, you obviously will not be able to make each of these pieces a different cover, and so that's why we need Canva in order to do that, so that we can do that on our own through our own design making. Okay, so once we have these, you also be going into the website of Modifier.com, and they also do have premium mockups that you can pay for a price. However, they do have some free ones that I feel are worth checking out that you can use as well. So these mockups, as you can see, are some that you can use for free. So this is one for Instagram, for instance. You can put your logo here on like a t-shirt if you're marketing for t-shirts. They also have one for a free iPad here, a mockup for an iPhone, mockup for a laptop or a MacBook, a tablet laying on like a flat surface, and then a book mock-up here. But they have a lot of free ones that you can use. All you need to do is just make a registration on their website, and then you can get these for free to be downloaded. They even have a billboard. So these are really cool, and I really think that this website is pretty legit in downloading these and them actually working without you needing to pay anything for them. So as you can see here, you can probably see a few of the examples that I actually used from the free Photoshops to make my bundle package offer mockups, and this was pretty easy. So this one back here, as you can see, this one is actually like a laptop here, and then you can see I can basically kind of move them and shift them any way I want. This one is a book. Then this is the iPad. This is also like an iPad. This is a cell phone, and then this was an iPad as well. So this is just a quick visual, and then also this background, if you see, it's kind of like a little table thing, literally a free background that I found on Canva, and I just made that as my background here as well. So essentially what I want to do is kind of add to this package that my customers are seeing. So I'm going to basically show you guys how I'm going to do that for a couple of these. So the first thing that you want to do is create all of your e-covers. So here is one for my 7-day postpartum low intense workout plan here. And what you want to do is create your e-covers, whether you're using Canva or not, or you're scanning one in, or however you're going to use it. If you are using Canva to make the e-covers, then all you would need to do is just download the first page of your booklet. So this booklet, I believe it's about 4 pages long of my workout plan. And so all I would need to do is just download the first page. So you would just put pages number 1. Next, what you would do is you would actually change this from PDF and make it into an image, because you want it to be able to upload the way that you want, so you can make your mockups. So this is the first step that you're going to do. So then you're going to click download. Okay, once you have all of your e-covers, and I do suggest that you do all of them at the same time and have them in image format, which is, I believe, PNG and JPG or JGP, no, it's JPG formatting, so that you can actually upload it onto your mockups. So once you have those up on your computer, then you will pick your first mockup. So for my postpartum workout plan, I want to keep it pretty simple. So I'm actually going to use an iPhone to do this one on. All right, so also be reminded that any ebook covers and things like that, if you want them to be on like a wider screen, then you may have to make your image and design it into a landscape size, so in a landscape position, so that you would be able to actually upload it onto this mockup. Otherwise they will try to stretch the image. Okay, so however, I'm going to use an upright template mockup. So what I'm going to do is just basically log in, and you're going to click on the one that you want and click edit online. All right, now as you can see, I'm not logged in yet because I actually wanted to show you the whole process. So what you're going to do is you're going to see here where it says put your image here. So all you're going to do is just click here and add your image of whatever e-cover you're going to choose for this particular mockup. And then you're going to click upload your image here and click the one that you want. All right, so as you can see, my image is a little bit more wider than the phone, and that's totally fine. So what we're going to do is we're basically just going to, so one of the things that you can do is either stretch or try to crop it. It's up to you. So for me, I'm actually going to stretch the image so that it can fit nice for the most part on the image, because I really want this to be on a phone. So as you can see, it just put the image right on here. It's not perfectly parallel, but if you wanted it to be a nicer cover, then you would make this one a little bit smaller as far as an image. Now, once you have your image here on the mockup, then all you would do is just sign up to download. Okay, so once you've logged in and got all your information, they do not need a credit card from you to use any of their mockups for free. So once you have your cell phone mockup image, then all you will do is just kind of take this, you will save it to your computer or download it, and then you would add it and upload it back to Canva. Okay, so here I am back at Canva, and all you're going to do is just click downloads and upload this one straight to your uploads. Okay, so now when you download it, as you can see, the mockup has kind of like a white background. So you want to make this a transparent image, okay? But you can only do this by uploading it back again through Canva as a transparent no background image, basically. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this and we're going to open up a new page. You basically just want it to be a portrait size because this is a portrait size picture. Then what you're going to do is go back to your uploads. You're going to click on this and then you're going to stretch it for as big as you want. Okay, and it's okay if it goes beyond the page. The idea is making sure that the image is as big as you would like it. Now, once you have this whole image stretched out the size that you want, the next thing you're going to do is click Edit Image, and you're going to do Background Remover. Now, I would like to note that you can only do this through Canva Pro, unfortunately. So if you want to do this actual mockup on here, you would need to at least get a 30-day free trial on Canva, which I will have a description for that if you would like to sign up. All right, so now once you have the background deleted, it may not seem like it's gone, but it is. All you're going to do is just click download. You're going to make it into a high quality image, and then you're going to make sure to click transparent background just to make sure that it actually works, and then click download. And then once I do this, guys, I will be right back to show you the next step. All right, guys, so I have just uploaded the image, and as you can see, it's a transparent background because there is no white behind it, which is a good thing. So now that means that this is actually ready to be put on our full mockup. So I'm going to head back to our mockup and add it to you just so you can get an idea of how I do it fully. Alright guys, so now we are back here at my mockup that I created previously. Like I said, I just want to add more to it. So all you're going to do is just click your transparent background image that we just created to get it on the page, and then you're basically just going to move it wherever you feel like you want to move it. You can also make it any size you would like, and that's also really creative as well. So this is a phone, so I just want to make it a little bit smaller and just kind of sit it right there. All right, so this is something that you can do. You can switch around with it. You can make different images, all that good stuff with it. It's really fun to do. And you would basically go through this process with each one. Okay, so here we are where you can use the free online book mockup maker here. So this is giving you an example of what you can do on this page as well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click on which mockup image you would like for your next image. So I really just want to use a regular book cover like this one. So you're going to highlight it and then click next. And then as you can see, for both of these, they are asking for a spine and then also the book image. Okay, so it's up to you, but basically as far as the book spine, you can literally just save a particular, like maybe like a black spine cover or something like that, or a black template that's just color black, and just kind of upload it on here just to make your spine. It doesn't have to be anything super intricate. Normally what I typically do is I just pretty much just upload the same image over again, and it kind of just squeezes the image and makes that into the spine. I'm not really big on the aesthetics of these mockups that much. Alright guys, so I'll be right back to uploading both of these things on here. Alright guys, so as you can see, I uploaded my next thing. So here's my 30-day life renewal journal sample that I've been creating for my clients. So this will be my front cover, and then as you can see, this is just my plain old black spine here that I wanted to do. I also could have did blue, but I just wanted to stick with black. It's no big deal. Always make sure that you also click upload with each browse, just so that it can come up on these images down at the bottom as you see here. And then all you would do is click next. All right, so once you're at the step 3, then you'll just go down right here at the bottom and then click which file type you would like it to be downloaded in. And you could pick either one, it doesn't matter. Okay, now once you're back at Canva, you're going to go back to that same template page that you used, the A4. And I'm just going to delete this because I want to add on what I'm going to be adding on here now. All right, so once you have your mock-up that you just made, like the one I made for my life renewal journal, all you'll do is just upload it right here. All right, now mine, as you can see, is just like this one here. So it has that white background. So all we're going to do is just take away that white background. So just going to add it right to this page. I actually like this size, and as you can see, this is my cover here. So sometimes you might have to redo the cover, especially if you don't like it and it didn't really come out too well. So keep trying, try different colors, but I'm actually a-okay with this. I don't mind at all. So then what you would do is just take this, and like I said, you would have to use Canva Pro to do this next step, but all you would do is just edit image, click background removal. It will take away that white background, and then what you would do is click download, make it into an image, click transparent background just to ensure that it will be downloaded without a background, and then click download. Then last but not least, you will just go back to your uploads and then re-upload the one you just downloaded with the transparent background. Plain and simple. Alright guys, so now we are back at the mock-up that we have been building up on. So all you're going to do is just click on that transparent background. And now my life renewal sample book is right here with us. So as you can see, while I'm moving these, you see how things are overlapping. So this is a really simple way of getting these like this, and you're kind of just going to have to play around with them. So all you need to do is just click on an image and click position to put it in different places. Now, obviously, you only really want to just touch backwards and forwards with this, not left, center, and right. That's not really applicable for what we're trying to do. We're trying to create layers that look sensible to the image, right? That makes sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click backwards, and as you can see, it put that image of my life renewal journal behind my breastfeeding do's and don'ts pamphlet. All right. So there you have it. So now I have a book here. I have some other devices here as well that's displaying everything that my customers are getting. And so you'll just continue to keep going through this process. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. You can do it absolutely free. All you need to do is just pay for Canva Pro, of course, every month. But it's really easy to do. It's really simple, and you'll save a lot of money versus having someone else do it for you. Now, if you do, of course, want super great quality mock-ups, you can pay someone to do it for you. However, if you are just marketing things and you're trying to cut costs at this time and you're just starting out like I am, this would be a really great way for you to get this done in a very nice and sufficient way. All right, guys, so now that I have my 30-day life renewal journal here, now all I'm going to do is just basically finish up my last 3 images to add on here, and then my package will be complete. All right, guys, and here are my final results. So as you can see, I have every offer that I am offering to my clients right here on this mock-up, just to visually give them an idea of what they are getting for the price that I would be offering. Like I said, this is a really great marketing thing that you can do just to display this out to your clients in a more professional and more organized way. So I really hope you found this tutorial to be incredibly useful, whether it's for now or in the future. Please like, share, and subscribe so that you can get more content like this and others as I continue to go and share how Canva can be such an incredible and useful resource for you for your business as well as for your personal events as well. So I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye.